The target of the European Climate and Energy Framework for 2030. 32.5% improvement in energy efficiency, 40% reduction in greenhouse gas emissions, 32% of all energy used is renewable. The higher Super Aqua air-to-water heat pump is an energy-efficient and environmentally friendly solution for your home. It generates free renewable energy by utilizing the outside air as an energy source for space heating, cooling and hot water supply. Leaving water temperature ranging from 5 degrees Celsius to 60 degrees Celsius provides comfortable cooling and heating for your space. In addition, the Super Aqua can be connected to a domestic hot water tank to provide sanitary hot water. The system can deliver reliable heating even in temperatures down to -20 degrees Celsius outdoor ambient. The Super Aqua has an energy class of A+++, which provides excellent energy reductions by utilizing a full DC inverter compressor and DC fan motor. The system uses R32 refrigerant, which is just 1/3 of the GWP of R410A. R32 future-proofs your Super Aqua and guarantees a longer lifespan of the solution. Multiple noise reduction measures ensure a low sound level down to 52 decibels on the 5 kilowatt unit. A compact design allows the higher Super Aqua to be installed even when space is limited. The Super Aqua has many inbuilt components, including circulation water pump, safety valve, flow switch, and a plate heat exchanger. This enables a faster and easier installation process. A single screw removal access to the electrical panel makes it easier to complete all wiring work. This system is totally designed for easy installation. In addition, refrigerant piping is unnecessary, as the unit only requires a water pipe connection to the indoor water tank. The safety valve flow switch and water pump can be directly serviced by removing the valve cover. Our touchscreen controller comes in a modern, elegant design, giving you a simple, clean and white finish. The backlight and intuitive icons on the controller make it simple and easy to use. The built-in weekly timer allows preset automatic control. Error code display and a historic log for easy maintenance. The higher Super Aqua is not only suitable for residential applications, but also for small commercial applications, such as cafes and hair salons. The higher Super Aqua range has the capacity to meet all your needs. Higher Super Aqua, for your comfort.